Write a 25-page essay on what's so cool about manufacturing? How am I supposed to do that?
Well, I know Levi Brady over at Dutchland. We could ask him.
Okay, let's do it. Hi, Mr. Brady. What is your role at Dutchland?
At Dutchland, I'm the plant manager. I started as a laborer. I've been working there for about 13 years. So I started as a laborer, and then I became a key man, and then a foreman, and a supervisor, and I'm fortunate enough to have gotten an opportunity to be at this point, so I'm sitting as a plant manager.
Javar, what is your role at Dutchland?
I'm a key man for eBay.
What is a key man?
So we got a foreman, and then I'm the key man. So think of Batman and Robin. I'm basically his Robin.
What is the coolest day you've ever had?
So the coolest day I ever had was when I left from being a foreman and I went to be a supervisor, and I watched my key man, which would have been the guy below me, and he was 19 years old. He was actually just turned 20, and he became the youngest foreman in the place. And it was cool because I was sitting there watching somebody that I mentored to get to that point, and for him it was a huge deal because he was such a young guy to get into the position that he was in. He had known nothing, so that was extremely gratifying, and in turn it was pretty cool. It was also pretty cool when you guys came walking through, and I said the bucket of concrete was on the ground, and I said, you know, one of the coolest things about manufacturing will be in about a couple minutes, you're going to see all these guys come out of the woodwork with shovels. And as I was talking about it, it just kind of started happening. And it just kind of goes to show you the culture that is within a manufacturing place. Like it's kind of personal, and it's teamwork, like that of a sport almost. So between those two things, it's pretty cool.
Wow, that was more than enough information to help me write that essay. Thanks a lot, Mr. Brady.
That tour was so cool, I might write one for fun.
Who knew manufacturing could be that cool?